Hey guys, it's Gina. I am so excited to have a new bird feeder today. So let me show you. This is the Kingsyard Bird Feeder, and I kind of want to show you how it's put together. So I really like that it's going to be easy to feel because the top comes right off. I'll let you take a look inside there. There is this insert. So if you see, this is where all the food goes in, and then it's going to kind of funnel down through here and be down here at the bottom for the birds. So I like that this is, you completely can take it right out of there. And then all of this, it's absolute complete metal, great sturdy construction. I like that when I look at the bottom, these pieces appear to all be welded nicely together. It's a beautiful shade of green. They do have other colors. Now, I believe I've seen red and white. I really like the green color. I think it'll blend in nicely in my backyard. Let me show you again how to put this together. Like this. So I'm going to put that right here. And then it has this to hang by. So there's two hooks. There's a hook on either side. And then just like that, it's that easy to put together. Now, I'm going to fill it up and let's take it outside. Got my bird seed ready to put in. So let's take this off. And I do want to add that Kingsyard offers a lifetime warranty on this bird feeder, and they are quite an amazing company because I have another feeder that's just like this that I've had for a few years, and it holds up really well. So here goes the bird seed. Probably a little bit messy to do this right here on my desk, but that's okay. I didn't fill it all the way right now. I just want to take it outside so you guys can see. Put this on. And let's take it outside. I absolutely love how this looks in my backyard, and glad we have it all set up. Now we just have to wait for the birds to come.